Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Are you looking for that perfect investment property in Negril? If your answer is yes, then look no further. This beautifully crafted house is already divided into two sections, each with its own kitchen. The property has 4 bedrooms and all with ensuite bathrooms. The yard is beautiful and resembles a cool oasis. There is also plenty of space for another investment property to be added. The possibilities are endless. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $48.4 million or US $314.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.